A second Jamaican athlete, Dene McFarlane, has joined the controversial Enhanced Games, which is scheduled for May this year in Las Vegas, Nevada. McFarlane, a former Edwin Allen High athlete, joins fellow Jamaican sprinter Shakoria Wallace in signing up for the multi-sport games that will allow athletes to compete without being tested for banned drugs. The 25-year-old McFarlane currently sits 986th in the World Athletics 100-meter ranking. She owns a career-best time of 11.34 seconds set in 2023. McFarlane was among 2 sprinters and 3 swimmers revealed by the competition organizers on Monday. Ghanaian sprinter Jasmine Abrams in the track and field category, along with swimmers Antonini Ivanov of Bulgaria, Miguel de Lara Ojeda of Mexico, and Emily Barkley of Great Britain were also unveiled as new competitors. Organizers of the event have promised substantial prize money, including world record bonuses of up to US $1 million in a bid to attract high-profile athletes across swimming, track and field, and weightlifting.